Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Chevy Cruze and we'll show you guys where your blend door actuator is located and how to replace it. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos guys on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy any parts for your car, let's say blend door actuator or anything else or tools guys, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. You can find pretty much anything for a very good price, that way we can save you more money and you can guys get them for pretty quick shipping as well. Now let me show you where that blend door actuator is located. If that blend door doesn't work, what will happen guys? Okay, you may experiencing the heater control not working correctly. Let's say you try to put the heater to blow cold but it's stuck on hot, or the other way around, you want it to blow hot but it's stuck on cold, or just it's really noisy. We'll explain what you need to do. Now we have the knee airbag removed right here, but practically you don't have to remove the knee airbag guys. Why we removed it? Because we need all the room that we can get so we can video with the camera and show you where everything is. But once you remove your knee airbag, I'll actually even remove one more piece, that air duct right here. So let me just get a little bit of light, maybe to position the light, something like that, over there. Perfect, so I can show you a few things now guys. I'm going to actually remove that air duct too, and the clip, it consists of two parts. One is in the middle, one piece you pull out. Let me get the clip removal too guys, so I can gain a little bit even more room and I can show you with a great detail where everything is located, otherwise I won't be able to guys. We're almost there to where I can pull that thing out. So practically, we pulled it out. Now I can pull that clip out, and what we'll do next, I'm just going to get that air duct out of the way. Now you don't need to do all that guys, but I have to do it so I can show you with a great detail where everything is. Looking at it now, right here, this device there guys, this is called your blend door actuator. So what we'll need to do, we'll need to disconnect the wire, press in here, pull it out, disconnect it. Now guys, we'll need to get a small socket. Ours is 732s. Now that wire is in the way, that's unbelievable. And go ahead and remove it. So practically I believe it's possible to do it without removing the knee airbag, but we need it all the room we can get guys. Otherwise you can get underneath, and if you know where it is you can probably remove it. If you can't, check out the video on the channel that explains how to remove the knee airbag. This is the screw, that's what it looks like. So now we have just one more after that. And where is the second one located? Let me show you now, right here in that corner guys. Second one out. Now we grab that blend door actuator and we pull it out guys. What it does, these teeth right here go in that canal there, and it just turns the blend door from cold to hot guys, so that way you can get either heater or AC. So pretty simple design guys, but they do go bad sometimes. So as you can see, this is it guys, this is the device. If you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys. Thank you for watching. Putting it together is in reverse order, we took it apart, and see you guys next time.